Hey guys, welcome to my chicken up. Welcome to part 2 of episode 3 or 4 of Coolest Board. Now I accidentally pressed the home button. Tell you what's the home button. Alright, the home button is that little square button right there. Okay, that's the home button. So look, it's pizza. Mocking, isn't it? Tasty pizza. Yeah. Yeah. Hockey. Okay. That's my cat. This is where my kitten was. The cat used to be here. The kitten was there. The dog's not there anymore. Dad's up there. Upside down.
Can you feed the dog a little bit?
Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad. God, he's demanding. Okay, Dad, can you feed the dog for me? Thanks. So,
They're all kind of Disney related. I think they're all related.
that's really all I can come up with. So,
Or sorry, interactive. Gee, I can't read today.
leave any more suggestions for Coolest Board down below.
Created in collaboration with
Bye.